Permanently disabling automatic updates in Windows 10 may cause security and stability problems, so you may prefer to pause to install them at a more convenient time. So, here is how to do it. Firstly, open the Settings app in Windows 10 by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon when the Settings window is open. Click Update and Security. Then, select Windows Update in the left hand menu to turn off automatic updates for 1 week. Click the Pause Updates for 7 days option available there. Windows 10 will tell you the date that updates will start again. To turn them back on manually before then, click Resume Updates option available. If you think that 7 days is too short a period to pause automatic updates, then click Advanced Options instead. Scroll down to Pause Updates and select a date from the Pause Until drop down menu. This date can be up to 35 days into the future. Once you reach that date, you will need to install the latest Windows update before you can pause them again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.